Welcome 4th standard children. We'll continue with the lesson, The Happy Prince. Now the last video I have reached up to where the prince telling the swallow, prince is a statue, he cannot move, but he is telling the swallow to take the red gem from the sword and give to that woman. What happened? That woman's child is sick and she is having no money to buy medicine and give. So the swallow, what is swallow? Pecked means kotti, pecked out the gem and flew off with it to the woman's house. The boy was tossing about. So tossing about means moving about uneasily. So you all will move about. So that's what tossing about in his bed. But his mother was so tired, she had fallen asleep with her head on the table. The swallow put the red gem beside her. And I red gem the swallow. Then he flew back to tell the happy prince. It's funny, he said, but I don't feel cold anymore. So the swallow is telling, now I don't feel any cold because I am doing nice things, isn't it? The swallow was busy and he is not feeling cold at all. That's because you did a good deed, said the prince. Good deed, nalla pravrti. Now who did the good deed? The swallow. So the swallow is telling, I am not feeling cold at all now. So what is the prince telling? That's because you did a good deed, said the prince. All the same, the swallow still wanted to fly away. He finished doing that work. Now he wanted to fly away to the warm land where his brothers and sisters had gone. I have swallowed the brothers and sisters. So that night he said to the prince, goodbye, I am off now. So that night he said goodbye. Now section 2. Little swallow, replied the prince, don't go yet. What is the prince telling? Don't go yet. I can see a young man in a bare room where there is no fire. He saw one woman, poor woman. A young man in a bare room where there is no fire. In cold countries, every room will have one fire to make that room warm. A fire so bare room means nothing at all, no fire, nothing. He is trying to write, but his hand is too cold to hold the pen. You all know that if it is very cold, you won't be able to hold the pen and all. Your hand will start shivering, and also your lips and all, you all will be biting. So this man also, because of the cold, he cannot write. So, but his hand is too cold to hold the pen also. He cannot hold the pen also. And he has nothing to eat also. Take one of my eyes. Red gem poi kayni. Red gem the swallow gave to the poor woman. Any blue gems. Take one of my eyes. They are made of blue gems. But I cannot do that, cried the swallow. What is the swallow telling? But I cannot do that, cried the swallow. Please do as I ask, begged the prince. Yajichu begged the prince. Why? Please do what I am telling. So the swallow pecked out one of the gems from the statue's eyes and flew with it to the young man. He dropped the gem into a bunch of flowers on the table. When the young man saw it, he was so pleased, happy, that he forgot he was hungry and went on with his work. When this man saw this gem, he was very happy. He thought, for at least few days I am having money. Now I can pay my rent and buy some food, he said. So what is the poor man telling? Now I can pay my rent, rent, and buy also some food, he said. Back flew the swallow to tell the prince the good news. Prince did take the swallow. And now goodbye, he added. Again he want to go back to the warm land. Goodbye. Don't go yet. Again the prince is telling, don't go yet. Pleaded the prince. Pleaded means begged. Look down there. do you see that little girl? She was trying to sell matches, but matches means tipati. But her hands were so cold that she dropped them in the wet, and now they are of no use. Kanda തീപ്പട്ടിയൊക്കെ തണുപ്പിനകത്ത് ഇട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുക? ഒരു ഉപകാരം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. അല്ല, തണുത്ത് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ നമുക്കത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാനേ പറ്റില്ല. So same way this girl, what is a girl's work? To sell the matches. So what happened? That matches all fell in the wet place. So cold that she dropped them in the wet. In the wet means on the wet ground. And she drank, now they are of no use. How can she sell the matches and get money? Her father will scold her when she gets home. The father will scold her. You must peck out the gem from my other eye and give it to her. One gem peck ചെയ്ത് ഇനി അടുത്ത gem കൂടെ എടുത്തിട്ട് കൊണ്ടു കൊടുക്കാൻ. That's what the prince is telling the swallow. You must peck out the gem from my other eye and give it to her. But if I do that, you won't be able to see at all, cried the swallow. So swallow is telling, I can't do that. If I take the other gem also, you will be blind. You won't be able to see. You will be blind. Please do as I say. Prince please do as I say, begged the prince. So the swallow took the blue gem and dropped it in the little girl's hand. Little girl how pretty she smiled when she saw it, when she saw the blue gem, and she ran home to give it to her father. Once more the swallow fell back to the prince, came back to the prince. I cannot leave you now that you are blind. Swallow I cannot leave you alone because you are blind. Both the gems have gone. I will stay with you and you can use my eyes to see. Adana swallow parnadeni ende kannine kondu nee kaananamnu. That's what this, I will stay with you and you can use my eyes to see. So section 3, the prince wanted the swallow to fly over the town and tell him what he saw. Then the prince told the swallow to fly everywhere. Prince high but the swallow to go everywhere and find out what is happening. One day the swallow saw 2 little boys sitting under a bridge trying to keep each other warm. When the swallow 2 boys were sitting close together, sitting under a bridge trying to keep each other warm. Along came a policeman and told them to go home. Policeman boys said, go home, don't sit here. He did not know that they had no home to go to. Because they don't have home, that's why they are sitting under the bridge. So they just got up and went out hand in hand into the rain. They went into the rain. And then the police they'll get punishment. When he heard this, the prince was very sad. The swallow went and told the prince. The prince was very sad. I have no gems left. The red gem has gone. The 2 blue gems also gone. Now he said, but my clothes are made of gold. A statue lead covered with gold. But my clothes are made of gold. You must peck off and give to those poor children. Every day the swallow saw someone who needed help, and before long all the gold on the prince had been given away. Ororo sangadikal kaanum, ororo karanathalu ororo kashnangal kotti kondu kodukkum, and by the time the gold on the prince had been given away, he stood on top of his pillar looking dull and grey. Gold covering kuda poyapam the statue was looking dull and grey. Statue before it was covered with gold, no. But the faces of the poor children were no longer white. Their faces are no longer white. Their cheeks were red and their thin arms and legs grew nice and round. പക്ഷെ ആൾക്കാർക്കൊക്കെ നല്ല ഗുണം കിട്ടി, isn't it? Their arms and legs grew nice and round. They no longer had to beg for bread. കണ്ടോ, അവർക്കൊക്കെ കാശ് ഇഷ്ടമായി വന്നു. എങ്ങനെ? By giving the gems and the gold covering. Then the snow came. അന്നത്തേക്ക് autumn കഴിഞ്ഞ് the snow came. The poor little swallow got colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. Swallow princeനെ ഒറ്റക്കിട്ട് പോയില്ല. At last he knew that his end had come. കണ്ടോ, end had come എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവസാന നിമിഷം എത്താനായി, അതായത് മരിക്കാനായി. He was about to die. That's what his end had come means. He would die. Goodbye dear prince, the swallows telling. He whispered, ഇങ്ങനെ whispered ചെയ്തു. ഇങ്ങനെ whispered means to speak in a low voice, and fell at the statue's feet. കണ്ട, സ്റ്റാച്ചുവിൻ്റെ ഫീറ്റിൽ അത് വീണുപോയി, അത് ചത്തു വീണു, because of the cold. Goodbye, replied the prince. The prince also said goodbye, and something broke inside him, and something broke inside the prince. It was his heart. Kanda, heart aanu pottiyadu. Because why his heart broke? Because he was feeling very sad, thinking of the swallow. So swallow did all good deeds, and last he died of cold. The next day, the mayor and the town councillors passed by the pillar and looked up at the statue. Now how is the statue? The statue was not at all looking beautiful. It was looking dull and grey. That the gold covering oka poi, blue gems poi, red gem also gone, and the swallow also died, isn't it? So that's what, up to that I have taken. You all read the lesson up to that and wait for the next video. Thank you, children.